Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into tips and tricks to make our digital life smoother. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to check our IP configuration using ipconfig in command prompt and switch to a public DNS server like Google DNS. So why is this important? Well, using a public DNS can speed up our browsing and improve our network's reliability. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to run ipconfig and cmd or command prompt. First, open command prompt and run as administrator. Type ipconfig and press enter. This command displays our current network configuration including the IPv4 address, so subnet mask and default gateway. Change DNS to public DNS, like for example Google DNS. So in CMD, let's type the nets commands. So type nets interface ipset DNS. Then the network adapter in my case is the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi. So this adapter handles my wireless connection to the network. Then next is the static 8.8.8.8. Okay, then press enter. Next is the to add our DNS. So type nets interface IP add DNS Wi-Fi 8.8.4.4 index equals 2. So make sure that you replace Wi-Fi with your network adapter name. So next is to verify the DNS change. So let's type in the IP config /all to confirm the new DNS settings. So the IP config command helps diagnose network issues by displaying IP configuration details. Public DNS like Google's 8.8.8. and the 8.8.4.4. So it enhances browsing speeds and security by offering reliable DNS resolution. The next commands modify network settings, making it easy to switch DNS servers. Using public DNS can help bypass local DNS restrictions or improve connections reliability. So, and that's it. We have now mastered how to change our DNS settings to public DNS using command prompt. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon.